Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we're going to be going over the weekly outlook. We're going to be going over the trades that we should be going over for the week. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So before I start going over the pairs for this next week, let's go over some of the pairs that I called out for last week and how they performed. I took some of these trades and some I just left because they were all similar pairs. Talking about the JPY pairs, let's just go over them. Let's start off with GBP JPY. I called this GBP JPY long trade last week. I said the market has come back to an area of value and I'm expecting bullish movement from here. I took a trade on GBP JPY later that week, but it was just dead. The market was just moving, sideways. The trade I took here, I took a break off this double bottom here, and I put the stop loss just a couple of pips underneath this low initially. But the market, it didn't get to my stop loss, but I spoke about spread I think last week. Spread took me out, so it is what it is. I was stopped out on that trade. We also spoke about CAD JPY. CAD JPY moved beautifully, but I didn't get to take this trade because of the GJ trade. Let's see. Which other ones did I call? I called EJ. EJ moved, but it didn't move to our full take profit and it just reversed. So it's still on my watch list for this week. AUD JPY, same story. Came here, pushed up, and came all the way down. So it's still on our watch list. Let's just get straight into the charts for this week. So like I said last week, the badges here, we're only going to be looking at the trades that I have badges for. All these ones without badges, I'm not really interested in them, so I'm not really going to be speaking on them. To try to make the videos short and as sweet as possible. So this GBP card, I took this trade last week and I closed somewhere down here. So right now I'm not really looking for any positions. It's just green because I took a position on it last week. Same with this GBP JPY. It stopped me out, because of spread. So I just turned this to blue because I'm still bullish on GBP JPY. But I'm just waiting for this level to have a clean break and close above for me to look to take another entry. CAD JPY. I'm looking for buys because CAD JPY came here, putting a beautiful double bottom, pushed up, broke above this high, came back here, and it formed an hourly double bottom. I'm expecting more bullish price movements from this point. It already gave us an entry signal here, but I didn't take it, so I'll be monitoring CAD JPY closely this week. CAD CHF, same thing. It gave us an entry over here, but I didn't take it, so I'll be monitoring it closely. But this week, I'm expecting it to push all the way at least to the recent high, or even higher prices because it's in an overall uptrend. Same with CAD JPY. Let me get to CAD JPY. It's in an overall uptrend. GPJPY, same thing, but CAD JPY overall uptrend. So I'm just anticipating the market to move back to its recent highs. So let's continue. EUJPY is back at the area of value. I'm expecting to see a bullish price action to take this market back to the recent high. So I'm monitoring EUJPY to look for bullish price action to go long on this pair. AEDJPY, same thing. I'm waiting for a break of this level because right here he has put a high, low, lower high, lower low. So I'm expecting this high to be taken out, with a big bullish engulfing to take out this level. So I'll be looking for longs from here to ride that way to the upside. Euro USD is in a bearish phase right now. It has put in a beautiful double top here, broke down, and let's go from the daily so we see it clearly. That's clearly taking out daily structural lows. So right now, right here at this point, I'm waiting for price action here at this region to sell this market short, because let me take my part. So if you see from low to high to higher low to higher high, now this is potential higher low, but see what the market came to do. It put in lower high, lower low, and it came and took out this low to put in a lower low, even lower than this recent low here. So there has been an obvious shift in the market, so I'm expecting a bearish price action in this region to ride this market all the way to the downside, because it's now in the bearish trend. So that's what I'll be waiting for here this week to take this market lower. NZD-JPY. Let me take out this arrow, because now I'm bearish. I think this is the only JPY pair that I'm bearish on, and it's just because of the price action. Look at here, left head, right shoulder came, broke below, put in a lower high, it puts in a double bottom, but push above this point. Right here, I must admit I was bullish. I was expecting the market to come here, retest, and keep pushing up. But watch what the market does. It comes, it breaks, and it closes underneath all these lows. So right here in this region, if I get the bearish price action, I'll look to short this market all the way down to the downside. USD-JPY is bullish, but it's very choppy at these highs. I think it's because it's at a multi-week high. That's why it has this very choppy price action. So yes, I'm bullish, but I don't think until it takes out this high, I don't think I'll be interested in taking any trades on this. If it comes back to this my area of value and it gives me bullish confirmations, then okay. But with this choppiness is doing here, I'm not really interested in this. USD-CHF is bullish, so you can see from low to high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. I'm expecting a higher low somewhere in between this whole range here. But let's go down to the 4 hours to see why I have this area marked up. In the 4-hour time frame, if you look back at previous prices, you find out that this area has served as support all the way over here, resistance over here. So if the market comes back into this region and gives me entry confirmations, I'll look to go long here. If it doesn't, if it comes and pulls in deeper, this is also an area which I'll be interested in getting into this market from. Let's see the next pair. NZD-USD. I'm bearish on this pair. If you just look, you can obviously see why. High to low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. I'm expecting the market to pull into this area of value for me to take the market short. So I'm very bearish on NZD-USD. Gold. Wow, gold has been an absolute rocket this past few months. Has been moving in a very steep uptrend. I said there was a possibility that this market could break down and come all the way to this point, but I would not be interested because I'm still long on gold as it's in an overall uptrend and it just kept flying high. So I'm bullish, but right now there's no area for me to really get involved in this market. So I'll just sit back and wait for a real pullback to an area of value for me to be interested. But I have this market marked out because it's in an overall uptrend and I'm seeking to get involved with the trend. But for now, there's no area for me to join the market in. Euro NZD, I'm bullish. I'm waiting for the market to pull back into this region for me to be interested in the trade. It hasn't really given us the best price action in this region, but I'm still, if we get here and it gives us a clean double bottom engulfing, then I'll try to keep riding this market to the upside. but the overall trend has been in an uptrend. So I'm just seeking to catch the next leg to the left side. NZD card is bearish. Has been bearish for a while. Look at this clean break. I'm looking for a market to pull back into this region for me to short. Very clean break of structure happening right here. I'm just waiting for the market to pull back to an area of value for me to get involved. GBP NZD. GBP NZD. I'm bullish on GBP NZD. And it's clear around the 4 hours. So let's go over there. Look at it, it's taking out this resistance. Broken above. Now it's coming back, pull back into this region. I'll be looking for the bullish confirmations to take this market and ride it all the way to the upside. I'm bullish on GBP NZD. Euro CHF. I'm bullish on Euro CHF because it's in an overall uptrend. Took out this resistance. It gave a just a steep pullback, and now I believe it's retracing for a better pullback into this region. If it comes back into this region and gives us some entry confirmations, I'll be interested in going this market long. So the rest of the pairs are not really clean to me, so these are the pairs that we're going to be paying attention for this week. These are the pairs that we're going to be looking to trade this week. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. Do well to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos to your friends. So they could also come in to see my analysis and compare mine to theirs, and see how we can all grow and become better traders. I'll catch you guys in the next video, guys. Cheers.